Sometimes like keeping, not knowing exactly what you want to do is a huge asset. Like, having a plan is great, but sometimes not having a plan is also great, because you actually never know what can surprise you. And as scientists, we have to be open to surprises, even in research. If like, some things you can plan for, but you can't plan for exactly, when you start out from a calculation, you do not know if that was going to be a super duper result or like a dud. And you was like, oh, people have done this 30 years ago. That can happen. So I think it's actually, especially for young students, I think actually it's a great thing that now when I look back, what I called confusion when I was a kid, I think that was actually a good thing that I did not overcome it to a field. Unless you're absolutely 100% sure, which is very unlikely to happen for a 17, 18-year-old.